Hello, everybody. This is Leslie, and I am Silver Moon's Coloring Studio. So, welcome to my channel. So, today I am going to be working on a community collaboration that I just put my name in for, and I wasn't able to get the pages that I had chosen, but I was perfectly fine with the page that I was able to get. So the book that everybody is working in is in the First Romantic Country series by Eriy, and this is hosted by Colouring Bumblebee, and I will leave a link to her channel down below. So this has to be completed and sent to her, the completed page or pages if you're doing two, by April 30th. So I've already prepared my book. So I'll show you kind of where we are. So I used my Peebo drawing gum to block out some areas that I don't want color when I go to start to do the sky, because I'm going to start with the sky. So I did the clouds. I drew in a moon because I want to know where my light source is. And then I have my Neocolor IIs that I'm going to start with. And we are going to use periwinkle blue. That's going to be the bottom color. And then the next color will be mauve. And then the next color is going to be night blue. So that'll be the darkest part of the sky. So I have put paper down on this side. I've put washi tape down, a not real sticky washi tape, so I'll be able to get it off. And like I said, I used Amazon packaging paper over on this side. I have my Caran d'Ache palette. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this in the back, and then I'll use this as well. So, like I said, what we're going to do now, I'll show you some of the other things. This is what I used to draw my moon, and that's what I used. And then here I have a couple of watercolors. I'm going to use Derwent Inktenses. This I haven't even used yet. This palette I haven't used. So this one has some iridescent colors. So we have some metallics there. I do not remember which palette set that is. This one is my Mei. This one I've used. So this one had some really pretty colors. So I'm hoping that maybe I could use that one as well. And then like I said, I'm going to use my Inktense, my Polychromos, and I think that's it. Oh, I did take out some of my Clero gold pearlescent colors. And then I also took out white acrylic paint because I want to make the sheep white. And I don't know if the Neocolor II white would make them white enough. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put some nice relaxing music on for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this little color along. I'll see you at the end when we get to the end of the sky. Okay, so I mixed the three colors to the best of my ability. This isn't the best paper in the world, but it still holds water pretty well. The only thing is, with more and more brush strokes, you can see the paper starts to peel. So it doesn't go through, but I had to stop and I'm going to let it dry. So this is going to be part 1. And then for part 2, I think we're going to do the mountain. And then for maybe part 2, part 2 we'll do the mountain. Part 3, these to me are trees, like mountainous trees. So I'm going to be doing these in greens. And then the mountain is going to be, I have it all written down here. The mountain base is going to be a cool gray. And then the shadow side is going to be a plum with blue tones. Then the trees are going to be dark green for in the front. And then the back is going to be lighter greens with gray. The church focal point here, the walls are going to be a warm gray with like a light stone. I'm going to make stones. The roof is going to be a burgundy color. The windows are going to have a golden yellow glow. The animals are going to be in white. The ground is going to be a muted, can you even see that? The animals are going to be white. The ground is going to be muted greens and browns. And then I'm going to put like little dots and stuff for maybe fireflies. And we'll do maybe little leaves and grasses and stuff like that. So that's what you can expect for the next couple of videos from me here. So thank you all again for watching. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like button. And also, too, I'm a brand new colorist channel. So if you like coloring content, please hit the subscribe button for more wonderful coloring content for in the future. And if you have an Instagram channel, I will have my Instagram channel linked down below as well. Thank you and have a great day. Take care, everybody.